Introducing the SEO Text Editor with Keyword Heat Maps for Advanced Audience course, the ultimate SEO advice for businesses looking to optimize their online presence. This comprehensive SEO consulting service course gives businesses the tools and resources they need to maximize their online presence and reach their target audience. With our SEO Text Editor, businesses can easily create and edit SEO-friendly content, while our Keyword Heat Maps provide a thorough analysis of the most effective keywords for their industry. The SEO Text Editor provides businesses with a powerful platform to create and edit SEO-friendly content. It provides several features such as keyword research, content optimization, and automatic SEO checks. This ensures that businesses can create content that is optimized for search engine rankings and provides the best user experience. Keyword heat maps provide businesses with a detailed analysis of the most effective keywords for their industry. This allows companies to identify the most effective keywords for their target audience and optimize their content accordingly. With the SEO Text Editor and Keyword Heat Maps, businesses can easily optimize their online presence and reach their target audience. This comprehensive SEO consulting service course gives businesses the tools and resources they need to optimize their online presence and reach their target audience.